But them a try for do.
But them a try for do.
But them a try for do.
Them want to ruin my life, them want to ruin my life.
Even Mother Nature crying out. As it rain from the sky. Hear the youths them bawling out. Won't you keep love a true? Them disregard all the love we gave. Reject your laws and say we misbehave. True, selfish ambition and your dirty ways. You even fight the Rasta man for shame. I'd rather rest in peace in a grave than to live this life as a bossy slave. All because of your vanity crave, you destroy the landmarks of the ancient days. Even Mother Nature crying out. As it rain from the sky. Hear the youths them bawling out. Won't you keep love a try? You may have thought the time for speculate. Feel urge for your heart, the dog a penetrate. The devil call but you don't hesitate. You take him up on every offer and every day. No longer can be used to differentiate. Can't discern between love and hate. You use big words so we can't relate. Give we false hope and destroy with faith. Even Mother Nature crying out. As it rain from the sky. Hear the youths them bawling out. Won't you keep love a try? This know also that in the last days perilous times shall come. For man shall be lovers of their own self, covetous boasters, proud blasphemers, disobedient to parents, unthankful, unruly, without natural affection, false accusers, fierce despisers of those that are good, traitors, heady, high-minded, lovers of pleasure more than lovers of God, having a form of godliness but denying the power thereof. From such turn away, for of this sort are they which creep into houses and lead captive silly women laden with sins, led away with diverse lusts, ever learning and never able to come to the knowledge of the truth. Even Mother Nature cries.